Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer and the Mini Portable Washing Machine. Today, we will explore their features, specifications, and what makes each of them unique. Whether you're looking for a powerful washing machine for your home or a compact solution for your small space, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. When it comes to capacity, the BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer offers a substantial 1.7 cubic feet, making it suitable for larger loads. In contrast, the portable washing machine has a capacity of 15 liters, which is ideal for smaller items like underwear and baby clothes. If you frequently wash larger items, the BLACK+DECKER may be the better choice, while the portable washer excels in compactness and convenience. Portability is a significant factor when choosing a washing machine. The BLACK+DECKER model, while powerful, is heavier at 70.5 pounds and less portable due to its size. On the other hand, the portable washing machine is incredibly lightweight at just 4.6 pounds and features a foldable design, making it perfect for travel or small living spaces. If you need a machine that you can easily move around, the portable washer is the clear winner. In terms of features, the BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer comes equipped with multiple wash cycles, a stainless steel tub, and user-friendly options like a delay start and child lock. This makes it versatile for various fabric types. Conversely, the portable washing machine focuses on simplicity, offering basic washing functionality and a spin basket, which may be sufficient for smaller loads but lacks the advanced features of its counterpart. In conclusion, if you prioritize capacity and advanced features, the BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer is a solid choice. However, if you value portability and affordability, the portable washing machine is an excellent option for small loads. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.